Hi, and welcome to the Paint and Create studio. Here's a quick tour on how to find your way around the studio. When you join, you'll get a confirmation message, and that has a little link there straight into the studio for you. You'll also receive an email that looks like this, saying thank you for your subscription, and then you'll get a welcome email as well, and that has the pink click here to enter button. Once you become a member and you want to log in another time, so it's easy to access the members area on the homepage of the website. You do need to be logged in. So the little person button there, click on that, log into your account that you set up when you purchase the membership. So once you're in, this is the main Paint and Create studio area. All the content is behind that button there with the hat on it. All the other things in the area under My Courses are for people who want to purchase individual workshops and not be part of the membership. They don't have access to the studio. So for anybody else, the studio membership button has a locked symbol on it. So once you're in, this is what it looks like. There's the button there with the view courses, and I've popped there on the left how it looks if you're on a mobile. Once you click on that button, it takes you through to this page. So you can see on the left is the main menu, little welcome, and on the left you can see the community discussion area, as well as all the other drop-down menus where there's a welcome, the workshop dates, and the replays. On the left, you'll find the workshop dates. So in there, you've got live workshop links. So if you ever don't get an email from me on the week or the day of the workshop, all the links are in there for you anyway. There's also the supplies list and all the dates going forward. I think it's gone all the way through to January at the moment. Down the bottom, you'll see the workshop replays, and that's where all the replays of anything we've done sits. There's also extra tutorials that I've shared in there as well. Lots of extra stuff for you. The tutorials you might notice are hosted on YouTube, but only you can see them. You have to be logged in and have the access that way. The Google Drive notes are all sitting underneath the main picture of the artwork there and the main video. So the Google Drive notes are sitting there, and if you tap on that, it will take you there. Inside the Google Drive, there's outlines, sample artworks, and all the reference pics for you. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for joining, and thank you for all the trust that you're putting in myself, the process, and I hope you enjoy it. I am so excited to paint with you. If there's anything you ever want to know, I'm there in the chat for you, but you can also email me as well. I can't wait to paint with you.